Hello, buddy. Princess Bear here, and we're back. So we are making another Disney Food at Home remake.
This time we are going to Magic Kingdom.
Yeah.
We are making a dish from the Arcus.
It's like a cannellini bean salad, basically. There's some vegetables.
It's like a bean stew.
There's some broth in there somewhere, I think. Hopefully. So we're gonna go get at it.
Be sure to try the gray stuff. It's delicious. Don't believe me? Ask the dishes.
You heard the girl. Buddy, we're back. Finished our Cannellini bean salad-ish stew.
Is it a salad if it's warm?
I mean, they have warm pasta salads or room temperature sometimes. No?
Comment below and tell me if you've had a room temperature pasta salad before.
Okay, well, we're finished. So it looks pretty. It came out. It looks a nice hearty meal.
We'll go ahead and try this now. Are we mixing the herbs
I think
in?
we should.
Okay.
You want a full bite of herbs in your mouth?
I mean...
Dink. Honestly, it tastes pretty close to what I remember.
I feel like I'm back in the Beast Library. Watching those carts roll by.
Without our food on them. And then getting lukewarm food.
This is much better than that experience.
I'll admit, I had no faith in this one. I thought it was going to be pretty bad.
Bread's good. gonna be savage with my broccolini.
Some of us have manners.
It works though. It
Cooked all the way
definitely tastes more cooked than the one we had at Be Our Guest.
Even the cauliflower is cooked all the way, like steamed veggies should. Well, sometimes people get in a rush, but nobody wants raw veggies on a cooked plate.
It could be the pressure of working on the line.
Could be.
It's much different than cooking at home.
Which is why we go back and revisit some of these places. Just because you had a bad experience once doesn't mean it's going to happen again.
Exactly.
Or a third time. Or
Everybody has a bad day. Everyone's human. Everyone makes mistakes.
But, thoughts?
For something that didn't really take much, I will be making it a lot more. I feel like it's one of the easier items of things that we can create from Magic Kingdom.
Yes. I think we need to explore Cannellini beans more.
I agree.
Never buy them. And we've never even thought to think about using them in anything, but they turned out quite well.
Yeah.
And they soak up flavor rather nicely. So even without, a whole lot, I think we simmered for 10, 15 minutes?
It didn't take very long at all.
I don't know. But definitely, we'll eat this again. Definitely want to see some more things done with Cannellini beans. But if you guys have any recipes that you want us to remake here at home while we're all staying safe, and I hope you're washing your hands, you filthy animals, the comments is always going to be the place to let us know. If you make this recipe, we want to hear from you in the comments. Hit the notification bell if you want to see other videos like this, and
we have new videos 5 days a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.
And we will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.
So this is the one plant-based option that you have for lunch. It's Cannellini beans. I've heard mixed things about this. It looks like a salsa with beans. It almost tastes like you're eating pasta. And the beans are like the noodles. I quite like that. I think it's pretty good. And then you have like multicolored broccoli to go with. I love broccoli. Ooh. Oh yeah. A lot of flavor going on, but I feel like it's a little too oily, I think. Other than that, this is a really good dish. I would definitely come back and get this. I like this much better than the dinner offering here. Yeah, I think Bear's gonna like this a lot too. I'm gonna have a little bread thing.
And the cream cheese one?
Tastes like a nice, thinly toasted French bread, like a baguette. Very good, thank you. It's almost like something you would have with bruschetta. Very, very good.
It's a pretty looking lunch, to give it that. A lot of food, it looks like, as well. Cannellini beans are colorful, yeah, garnished well. Got a little broth going on here. Get a full fork. I was worried about the texture, but everything is very well balanced. That initial bite is pretty powerful, but it sort of wakes you up. It explodes in your mouth. Beans are perfectly cooked. Broth is good. I give this a solid 4 out of 5 plus. I mean, I'd heard mixed things as well, but actually it's pretty surprising. I didn't expect it to be this good. As for these veggies, not a fan. 1.5 out of 5 claws. They're just barely edible. Next to this bread.
Nicely toasted and crisp. Almost perfect. 3 out of 5 plus. As far as the crisping, the flavor, 3 out of 5 plus. Tender bread, nothing amazing. Not gonna fly around the room, but it's a nice addition. Overall, this is a whole plate. 3.5 out of 5 plus. Those veggies are a miss. The main course is great. The side is just, the veggies are killing it. If you'd have admitted those off the plate, it'd been a lot better.
The cannelli, is that how you say it? Cantanelli? I don't know words. Cannelli beans?
Cannellini Bean Canta. Yeah, you people seem to love Magic Kingdom. I don't understand what it is. Everybody knows the best park is Animal Kingdom.